Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here, and it is Allure beauty box time again. Boy, I know you've heard me say this before, but I love these boxes. Alright, let's not mess around for long. Let's go look and see what's inside. I have to tell you, I'm really loving that they went back to the boxes and did away with those bags. Anyway, here we go. Allure beauty box. Okay, brochure is on top. Let's grab those glasses and let's take a look. So it's, okay, can we open this thing up? Yes, so everything about the products. I don't want to spoil the surprise, so I'm not going to take a look at that. All right, first things first, it is Christophe Robin Scrub Lavant. Okay, it's French. You know about me in French. I can't speak French. I speak German. Something about sensitive and oily scalp. Is there anything in English? Please tell me there's something in English. It's all in French. Okay, I found something in English. It says, this purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. Apply on wet hair. Massage the scalp, lather then rinse. Use nourishing treatment on lengths and ends if needed. The scalp is healthy and soothed and hair is shiny and light. So avoid contact with eyes. So I guess it's a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt for sensitive or oily scalp. I have never tried anything like this before. This is new to me. Oh, that smells good. Let's get a little bit out of the lid. Oh, yeah, it is. It's a salt scrub. It's quite gritty. Oh, and it smells really yummy. Can't wait to try this. All right, let's grab my water bottle. Spritz this off. And I don't want this all over my fingers as I check out the other products. All right, next, let's close this up. All right, next is another tube. And this is Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Safe for sensitive skin. And it says, allergy tested, no artificial fragrance, hypoallergenic. Okay, again, French. All right. Apply evenly over clean face, follow with makeup, or wear alone for a natural look. Okay, good. Let's try this puppy. Of course, there's a seal. Yes, there's a seal. Good. All right, I like it when they have these. All right. I think they said it was a moisturizing primer. Yes, coconut skin smoothie primer moisturizer. Here we go. Let's try it. Oh, there's a light color to it. It feels really nice and light. It smells yummy. Does not smell like coconut though. That's what I expected, but that's okay. Oh, it's not sticky. It's very moisturizing. Okay. Yes. Awesome. Next comes all kinds of stuff from Anastasia. Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Who doesn't love a good brow gel? I'm using one. It's like hairspray for your brows, especially if you have unruly brows. This is awesome. Yes. Perfect. Let's move on. And then there is, a liquid lipstick from Anastasia. I love these colors. See, let's see. And it's, the color is called Trust Issues. Oh, and it's beautiful. Look at this. Okay. Doesn't really smell like anything, but look at this. beautiful dark burgundy color. Oh, I'm in love. Love, love, love. All right, let's take this off before I get it all over myself and everything else. All right, let's move right along. And then there's another description. Oh, and ladies and gentlemen, this is beautiful. This is a Moonchild Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And ta-da! Oh, look at this. This is beautiful highlighter. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. There's Blue Ice Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. What does it say? It has a description with it. It says, a fine palette to master the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. We went straight to the master herself. This is has a value of $40, by the way. Okay, so it says, what's a good daytime look I can get with this palette? Sweep the shade Pink Heart onto the high points of your face for a soft, rosy glow. All right. Which shades are best for subtle evening look, and how do you suggest applying them? Shades Pink Heart and Star are the most wearable shades for every day, while shades like Blue Moon, Purple Horseshoe, and Lucky Clover and Blue Ice make a bolder statement for evening. Apply any shade with a highlighter brush. We suggest the ABH A23 Pro Blush, and any of the shades in the palette can be used with a damp brush to create trendy metallic liner. Yay. I love it when you can wet the product. Is there a fail-proof, great on everyone look you can get from this palette? Pink Heart is one of the most universally flattering and most subdued shades in the palette that will look good on any skin tone and will complement any look. I love that they're telling you how to use the colors, the product. If I only use one shade but may want to accent in it from time to time, which do you suggest? And it says, try layering your shades to create a multi-dimensional effect. For example, if your go-to shade is Pink Heart, try layering another shade such as Lucky Clover on top with a smaller brush for a dimensional statement glow. I think I'll be doing that. Oh, my eye is just tearing. What shades are best for darker skin tones, and how do you suggest wearing them? The shades Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, Blue Ice, and Purple Horseshoe. Deeper complexions will suit deeper complexions best. Okay, that's what it says. Okay, apply as you would any highlighter. Okay. I'm afraid shimmer will draw attention to my fine lines. Any tips? Apply highlighter only to the areas that you want to enhance. Avoid applying excessive amounts of highlighter to areas with uneven texture. Okay? Okay, I'm ready to go all in. Any advice for a great dramatic look? And it says, placing different shades from the palette on eyes and face can create a gorgeous holographic effect. Try applying colorful shades from the palette on top of black smoky eyes for additional drama. Great. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this month's end of the year Allure box. This is quite the haul. Wow. And let me go through the brochure where it's talking about the product. So back to this great lip color. Anastasia liquid lipstick, known for deep, rich, pigmented makeup colors. And clients like Victoria Beckham, Jennifer Lopez and all the Kardashian Jenners. Anastasia liquid lipstick lives up to its well-earned reputation and is easier to get an appointment with. The formula is slick and paints on easily via a precise paddle applicator. Use just be careful to stay within the lip lines to avoid an unintentional halo of color around the mouth. A simple swipe covered my whole mouth and the lipstick dried down to a powdery matte stain in a split second. Okay, good to know that it dries quickly. The color in your beauty box is one of two sexy vampire-ish shades, and both feel like a 1990s Liv Tyler at her best. The matte color didn't crease or cake and was weightless, flexible, comfortable, and stayed put all day, even when tested against several coffee cups and water glasses. This is from Cotton Codina, Senior Features Editor. And this lipstick goes for $20. Where to buy it? It's at AnastasiaBellaBeverlyHills.com, and there's a promo code. Thank you. All right. The next is the Anastasia, where is it? Brow Gel. And this editor has this to say about it. It says, I've spoken of my pigpen brows before. It's not that they're particularly ungroomed. It's just that they're curly. So a product that keeps those little hairs where I want them is essential. Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Brow Gel has become my ride or die. Here's why. It has a lightweight consistency, which is very wet. When I swipe it on, my brows lie exactly where I want them, and they stay there all day without feeling crunchy. Well, that's a good thing. I don't want mine feeling crunchy either. The one I'm using at the moment has a wonderful soft feel, but it's manageable, and it stays. But this is the really crazy part, she says. When I touch my brows, they don't feel shellacked. That's great. I can't even feel the gel. My brows are in the perfect place, and all I feel are my eyebrows, she says. This is Juan Forbes from Digital Hair Editor. The price of this eyebrow gel is $22. You also can get it at AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. All right, moving right along. So, did I get this? I did not get the face moisturizer. I gotta go through what I got. Okay, so moving right along to the First Aid Beauty Halo Fab. Oh, it is First Aid. It's written so small you can't see it. Okay, so this was the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This is an ultimate beauty twofer. It's hydrating and priming. It's so good at both that it won a coveted Allure Best of Beauty Award last year. The scent and moisturizer effects come from coconut water. No fake laboratory coconut, so it doesn't have that clogging, sugary, sweet smell. Cloying. And that's true, although I didn't feel like it smelled like coconut at all. Coconut water infuses skin with amino acids, enzymes, antioxidants to plump and hydrate, while the quinoa protein product constructs a protective barrier on the skin, and a blend of minerals promotes overall skin health. And this is from Nicola Delassen. She's a digital staff writer. This product is $28. And it's available at firstaidbeauty.com. All right. Wonderful. And what else did I get? I got this little shampoo. Christoph Robin Cleansing Purified Scrub with Sea Salt for your scalp. This glittering sticky paste that looks like it's made of crushed opals retails for $53 for 246 milliliters, so it's bigger. Yes, $53 for shampoo, but it's not normal shampoo, it says. It uses salt crystals in a combination, oh, hold on, I can't read this morning. In a conditioning paste that rids the scalp of dead skin and product buildup. So your hair is fuller, more vibrant, and more excellent. Starting to seem like a pretty good deal now, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is. So, $53. And how big is this? I think we got a Sam's. I have no idea. It doesn't say. Need to take a closer look. Whoops. 1.35 ounces, 40 milliliters. So the regular size is quite big, but you know, $53. And what else did I get? That was it. That was it. Thank you so very much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell button so that you are notified every single time that I upload a video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and love to you all.